Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to see who unfollow you on Instagram. So basically there is no official some feature that you can find that who unfollowed you on Instagram, but the manually you can do one thing. You can just go to your account and you can just go to your followers, and after that you can search the name who is following you or not. But this is very time consuming and it's take very lot of time if you have so many followers and all that. So you can do one thing. You can just go to the Play Store, or if you're using an App Store, then you can if you're using iOS, then you can use the App Store, right? And on the search bar you have to type follow meter, okay, or follow or unfollow app. There is a lot of third-party apps and you have to install any of them, and after that you have to enter all the details, right? I mean, you have to enter the ID or Instagram username and the password, and after that they will let you know that who unfollowed you and who followed you, who are your ghost followers and all that, who liked your pics but didn't follow you. And there is a lot of more features, right? So this is a very pretty easy way that you can find out who unfollowed you on Instagram, right? So this is it, guys. I hope you find this video really helpful, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe channel. See you in the next video. Till that time, take care. Goodbye.